Today I'll tell you about Ertugrul Ghazi. It is from the times when the insurgency of Halaku Khan and Mongols have been spread till Iran and China, as they wanted to destroy the Muslims. At this time, Islam had no beacon of light. The Muslims' rule was diminishing as it was spread on small states and was not so powerful. In this hard time faced by the Muslims, there was a man, Ertugrul Ghazi, who came up for the Muslims. He was the son of Sultan, who was the head of Seljuk Empire. Ertugrul was married to his cousin Halima Sultan and had 3 sons. The youngest of all was named Uthman. Ertugrul stood against the insurgency of Ataris and English Crusade. He fought many battles and won most of them. He then established a vast empire named the Caliphate of Ottomon. It was a firm sultanate for the growings of the Muslims. The Caliphate was named after his youngest son, Uthman. The Caliphate of Ottoman was made in 1304 after Christ. When the Muslims' power were diminishing, the Sufis of Islam like Shams Tabriz and Maulana Rum also emerged as the ray of hope. Ertugrul died in 680.